Welcome to Kasta Biag radio drama. Discover heart-touching Ilocano and Filipino stories about family, sacrifice, love, and life's real challenges. Our channel features retold radio dramas, life recaps, and inspiring life lessons, all in authentic Ilocano and Tagalog, with English subtitles for everyone. Listen to true-to-life audio dramas, emotional narrations, and meaningful reflections that connect generations. New episodes every day. Subscribe and join our growing community of Ilocanos and Filipinos worldwide. Kasta Biag, that's how life is, but every story has a lesson.